Hello, my name is Amy Alvarado and I'm from the Hondo class. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my subject, which is nanotechnology. Um, Let me get started. Nanotechnology is the manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale. It can be utilized in a wide variety of fields, such as in medicine, environmental cleanup, the industrial industry, and in warfare, just to name a few. The idea of this technology began in 1959 by renowned physicist Richard Feynman, in which he described the possibility of synthesis by the direct manipulation of atoms and molecules to be used in the fabrication of macro-scale products. Its first breakthrough came in the 1980s, when in 1981 inventors Gerd Binning and Heinrich Rohrer came up with the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope. Because of this, they earned a Nobel Prize in 1986. One type of nanotechnology that is being used in this modern era has had potential to have the most change for humans in this field is nanomedicine. Using this type of technology and its current advancements have helped doctors to diagnose and treat patients with a variety of illnesses. This has helped people by the use of nanoparticles that are so small thousands could fit on the head of a pin. These particles can be used to interact with our own cells on a molecular level to repair the damaged or diseased areas in our body, all of which could prolong our lives by ridding us of deadly cancer, heart disease, and working with the body's own chemicals to better boost our immune systems into fighting off illnesses. Although this is just the tip of the iceberg in the field of modern medicine, there are still many uses for this technology. Another use is environmental cleanup. This includes cleanup of existing pollution, the improvement of manufacturing methods, and making alternative energy sources more cost effective. The use of silver nanocluster in the elimination of pollution has been created using propylene oxide. By this byproduct is when making plastics, brake fluid, paints, and detergents. Scientists have now come up with ways of reducing this type of damaging product to help ease this chemical from reaching our waterways and polluting the environment. Using photocatalytic copper tungsten oxide nanoparticles to break down oil and biodegradable compounds activated by the sunlight can work in water, making it useful for cleaning of oil spills. Cleaning the air we also breathe uses a form of nanotechnology. Clearing volatile or organic compounds, VOCs, uses the catalyst compound of porous manganese oxide, which gold nanoparticles have been embedded. Most modern air purification systems are based on absorbents, such as active charcoal. This is a fairly old technology compared to the more modern use of porous manganese oxide with gold nanoparticles. Making cost-effective electricity is another use of nanotechnology. By using silicon nanowires embedded in the polymer result in a low-cost yet efficient solar cell panels that are much safer for the environment and is currently being used worldwide. Windmill blades contain epoxy that contain carbon nanotubes, making the blades lightweight and produce electricity at greater output than any other material currently being used. Reducing the cost of fuel cells by changing the spacing of platinum allows the fuel cell to function with about 80% less platinum, which in turn also decreases the cost of fuel cells. It works by replacing the missing platinum with other materials or replacing platinum entirely, making the cost a lot cheaper. This is just a few of the uses of nanotechnology. As each passing day, scientists come up with even greater ideas to put this technology to good use. And in the coming years and decades, we will see life-changing strides and cures that will lengthen the lives of many people. And then here's a quote from Ralph Merkel. If we can reduce the cost and improve the quality of medical technology through advances in nanotechnology, we can more widely address the medical conditions that are prevalent and reduce the level of human suffering. Thank you.